Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have a ROCCAT Kone Pro Air mouse and I'm going to show you how to change the button assignment. At first we have to click on button assignment over here at the top in our ROCCAT Kone Pro Air mouse, and here as you can see we have button assignment. We can click on, for example, rotor forward, and we can change it to, for example, open. Here as you can see we can open folder, for example, and I can search for any folder. So for example I can choose desktop, new folder and set folder. And now if we click apply and wait a moment, for example if I click this button over here, our folder will open as you can see over here. Let me show you from better view. I'm clicking this button and our folder appears. That's it. Hope it helps you. Goodbye.